Hello friends, I am Dr. Usha M. Kumar. I am Senior Consultant in Gynae Endoscopic Surgeon in Max Smart Super Specialty Hospital. I wanted to discuss one very common problem is fibroids. Because when I sit in OPD, I see many patients of fibroids every day. And this is a problem which usually happen to the 40 plus of women, but it can happen to the young girls as well. And you will be very surprised to know sometimes the fibroids are there in your womb and you don't even come to know, and you are going to the doctor with some other problem, and when we advise ultrasound and all of a sudden we see there are the fibroids. So it can be totally asymptomatic as well, but sometimes in the young girls, if they are having fibroids, they can have the problems. First of all, I would like to tell you very important thing. If you have fibroid, nothing to get scared with, because fibroids, these are non-fleshy and basically non-cancerous tumor. So fibroids, if you have, it can cause problem in the terms if it is inner line of uterus. This can cause difficulty in conception, and if it is in the outer wall and it is very big in size, it can cause some pressure symptoms, like you may have only the backache, or might you have to go many times to pass urine. So frequency of urine is more because of pressure of that fibroid. And sometimes if it is in the inner lining of uterus or in the middle layer of uterus, it can cause heavy periods, which is a very common problem I am usually facing when the most of the women are facing, they are coming to my OPD. So if the young girls or the married young girls at 20 to 30 or 20 to 40, if they are having fibroid and they are having problem in the conception, treatment is very simple. You know, now the medical technology has become so much advanced. So with the very small equipment, we can take out the fibroids without making any cut on the body. So this we call endoscopic surgery. And basically I am expert of endoscopic surgeries. And if this fibroid is big in size and it's causing heavy periods and it's more than 3 centimeter, you have taken medicine, nothing is helping you, then the option is, if you want to save your uterus, we can only remove fibroid with the help of keyhole surgery, which we also call minimum invasive or laparoscopy surgery. So it hardly makes any 0.5 centimeter or 1 centimeter of cut. We can take out any size of fibroid. Only thing, we have to use morcellator, which can cut down the big size of the fibroid in the small pieces. And it's the very wonderful surgery, and people are really surprised to know that up to 8 centimeter or 10 centimeter of fibroid can be removed with laparoscopy surgery. And I would like to give you a very important tip. Fibroids, most of the time, they are genetically inherited. And if your sister has got fibroid or your mother has got fibroid, then you have little higher possibilities to have fibroid. But of course, the most important thing for all girls, all women, is taking balanced diet, taking more and more antioxidants in your food, and do lots of exercise. So this can prevent many of the problems in women. And if you really happen to have such problem, you can contact me in Max Smart Super Specialty Hospital. I am sitting here every day, or you can come to my clinic, that's Progeny, in Dayanand Colony, Lajpat Nagar 4. You can call me, you can chat me, and you can send your problems through Librate. And then you can send your queries, I can answer your queries, and or otherwise you can fix up appointment with me in these 2 places. Thank you.